Let's continue with the questions. Why is solution of potassium hydroxide used to absorb carbon dioxide evolved during the estimation of carbon present in organic compound? Now CO2 is acidic in nature, therefore it reacts with strong base, that is KOH, to form K2CO3. So KOH is best absorber of oxygen. So reaction taking place is 2KOH plus CO2 gives you potassium carbonate plus water. KOH is a base, CO2 is acidic oxide, they form salt and water, so this is a neutralization reaction. That is reaction of acidic oxide with base to form salt and water. The increase in mass of U tube containing KOH gives us the mass of CO2 produced. And from its mass, we can calculate the percentage of carbon by this formula. Percentage of carbon is equal to 12 by 44. 12 is atomic weight of carbon. 44 is mass of CO2 into mass of CO2 formed divided by mass of organic compound taken into 100. This is the formula used to calculate percentage of carbon in the given organic compound. Why it is necessary to use acetic acid and not sulfuric acid for acidification of sodium extract or Leysingi extract for testing sulfur by lead acetate test. For testing sulfur, the sodium extract is acidified with acetic acid because lead acetate is soluble but does not interfere with the test. If you add sulfuric acid, then lead acetate itself will react with sulfuric acid to form white precipitate of lead sulfate, which will interfere with the test. So for estimation of sulfur, for testing sulfur, you cannot add sulfur or you cannot add sulfur containing compound, that is sulfuric acid. And if you add, then it will be lead acetate plus sulfuric acid will give you lead sulfate plus acetic acid. So we cannot add sulfuric acid, we have to add acetic acid for acidification. Next question, an organic compound contains 69% carbon, 4.8% hydrogen and remainder is oxygen. Calculate the masses of carbon dioxide and water produced when 0.2 gram of this substance is subjected to complete combustion. Percentage of carbon is 12 by 44 into mass of CO2 formed divided by mass of substance taken into 100. Now we are given percentage here 69 equal to 12 by 44 into mass of CO2 formed. We want to find out mass of organic compound is 0.2 gram into 100. Mass of CO2 formed will come out to be 69 into 44 divided by 12 into 0.2 divided by 100, 0.506 gram. This is the mass of CO2 produced. Mass of water will produce by the formula percentage of hydrogen is equal to 2 by 18. 2 is the mass of hydrogen in water. 18 is molar mass of water into mass of water formed divided by mass of organic compound taken into 100. Substituting the values, percentage of hydrogen given is 4.8 equal to 2 by 18 into mass of water formed divided by 0.2 mass of organic compound into 100. On calculation, we get 0.0864 gram. This is the mass of water formed. Next question, a sample of 0.5 gram of organic compound was treated according to Gelder's method. The ammonia evolved was absorbed in 50 ml of 0.5 molar sulfuric acid. The residual acid, that is which was not utilized by ammonia, required 60 ml of 0.5 molar solution of NaOH for complete neutralization. Find the percentage composition of nitrogen in the compound. Now to determine the volume of sulfuric acid used, volume of sulfuric acid taken is 50 ml of 0.5 molar sulfuric acid, which is equivalent to 25 ml of 1 molar sulfuric acid. It is 50 ml of 0.5 molar sulfuric acid, so 25 ml of 1 molar sulfuric acid, both are equal. So volume of alkali used for neutralization of excess of acid will be equal to 60 ml of 0.5 molar NaOH, which will be equal to 30 ml of 1 molar NaOH. Now 1 mole of sulfuric acid neutralizes 2 moles of NaOH. So 30 ml of 1 molar NaOH neutralize 15 ml of 1 molar sulfuric acid. So volume of acid used by ammonia will be 25 minus 15 equal to 10 ml. To determine the percentage of nitrogen, 1 mole of sulfuric acid neutralizes 2 moles of ammonia. So 10 ml of sulfuric acid will neutralize 20 ml of 1 molar ammonia. 1000 ml of 1 molar ammonia contains 14 grams. 20 ml of 1 molar ammonia will contain 14 by 1000 into 20. But we have only 0.5 gram of organic compound. So percentage of nitrogen will be 14 by 1000 into 20 divided by 0.5 into 100. This comes out to be 56%. Alternatively, percentage of nitrogen can also be determined by the formula percentage of nitrogen is equal to 1.4 into molarity of acid into basicity of acid, means H2SO4 is dibasic acid, so we'll write 2 here. HCl is monobasic acid, we'll write 1 here. Basicity means number of replaceable hydrogen into volume of acid used divided by mass of organic compound taken. Substituting the values of all the items, the simplest formula will be 1.4 into molarity is 1, basicity is 2, volume of acid used is 10, weight of organic compound is 0.5 equal to 56%. This formula will be best for solving questions in entrance examination because it will take minimum time. Next question, 0.3780 gram of organic chloro compound gave 0.5740 gram of silver chloride in Carius estimation. Calculate the percentage of chlorine present in the compound. Let mass of substance taken, that is organic compound taken, is 0.3780 gram. Mass of silver chloride formed is 0.5740 gram. 1 mole of AgCl contains 1 mole of chlorine or 1 gram atom of chlorine, that is 143.5 gram of AgCl contains 35.5 gram of Cl. Now for percentage of chlorine is equal to 35.5, which is atomic weight of chlorine, divided by 143.5, its molecular mass of AgCl into mass of AgCl formed divided by mass of organic compound taken into 100. 35.5 divided by 143.5 into mass of silver chloride formed is 0.5740. We have substituted its value. Mass of organic compound taken was 0.3780 into 100. The percentage comes out to be 37.566%. Next question, in the estimation of sulfur by Carius method, 0.468 gram of an organic sulfur compound gave 0.668 gram of barium sulfate. Find the percentage of sulfur in the given compound. Mass of substance taken is 0.468 gram. Mass of BaSO formed is 0.668 gram. 1 mole of BaSO4 contains 1 gram atom of sulfur or 1 mole of sulfur, or 233 gram of barium sulfate contains 32 gram of sulfur. Percentage of sulfur will be 32, atomic weight of sulfur 233, molecular weight of BaSO4 into mass of BaSO4 formed divided by mass of substance taken into 100. 32 by 233 into 0.668 divided by 0.468 into 100, 19.6% is the correct answer. These are multiple choice questions. In the Leszczynski test or sodium extract for nitrogen in the organic compound, Persian blue color is obtained due to the formation of. The correct answer is ferric ferrocyanide, Fe4, FeCN6 whole thrice. B part is the correct answer. Second question, the best and latest technique for isolation, purification and separation of organic compound is. Correct answer is chromatography, that is D part. Next question, the reaction CH3CH2I plus KOH gives you CH3CH2OH plus Ki. Is classified as electrophilic substitution, nucleophilic substitution, elimination, addition. Correct answer is nucleophilic substitution because OH negative ion is replacing I negative ion. That is, one nucleophile is replacing another nucleophile. So we call it nucleophilic substitution reaction. Iodide ion is replaced by OH ion, which is stronger nucleophile. So option B is the correct answer. Which of the following carbocation is most stable? Now we know that tertiary carbocation is most stable. So B part is tertiary carbocation. This is most stable due to hyperconjugation as well as positive inductive effect. So the correct answer is B part because it is tertiary carbocation, most stable due to positive inductive effect and 9 hyperconjugated structures.